Welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have the servicing and complete cleaning of the Crompton Aura Onyx 2016s, the one that is fixed in the kitchen. So already the video is there for this fan. Go and check that out on my channel also. I will be putting the link in the description. Still you can go and check it out. And as you can see, the condition is quite bad. It's not cleaned properly since last 4 to 5 years. So you can see the condition. The upper portion is not at all cleaned properly because the fan is at a really great height, and climbing there is not that possible. And as you know, kitchen fans aren't clean, so I purchased a black one. So let's check out. The download is the local download, so I couldn't do anything. The fan is uninstalled now. This is the download remaining. I've kept the fan aside, and this download is almost like coming 15 inches down. Doesn't matter. The download is painted black. Actually it was white color earlier. The oil paint is used by an electrician to install it. So this download is not that good, but no issues now. I don't have any other option. So let's check out the fan. What's the condition? So here I have the fan with me. This is the upper canopy with the Crompton written, and this is the deco ring. So you can see the deco ring is not the original color when it was new. It's slightly faded because of the kitchen smoke and all. The upper canopy is cracked. This was cracked while installing, so nothing like I haven't break it. The condition is bad, but I will try my best to clean it. This is the lower canopy. Actually the color is matte, so cleaning a matte color is quite difficult because the matte colors get a stain which is permanent and easily visible, and especially for kitchens there should be a glossy black fan or something. This is the mistake of purchasing. You can see the blades, the decoring and the upper cover. I cannot say how dirty they are. You can see yourself. The capacitor is the Globe 2.25 capacitor that is officially given by Crompton. So this is not yet failed in like last 5 years. It's running quite at the RPM 380. So now need to dismantle the fan completely and need to check the coil, need to clean the motor properly, need to safely clean the plastic deco so that they don't crack up, and I have to use it a long period right now, so need to maintain it. So you can see the winding wires, and the capacitor will be changed when the capacitor fills, so that will come soon. And the blades, you can see these are matte color, so I hope less that these will be cleaned properly, but let's try to clean it using some soap or something, and avoid using Scotch Brite or hard substance on this, because this will lead to scratches on this, and matte colors with scratches are easily visible. So you can see under the blades it was so clean. So this is the actual color of the fan. The lower portion is not that dirty, as you can see. This is quite better to clean. The upper portion will require a lot of work. So here is the deco ring. This deco ring is also full of grease and oil, so it is quite difficult, because if I put the deco ring in water and start scrubbing it, it can crack easily. So deco ring can't be cleaned properly, and this won't make any difference because it will be hidden up and that's not visible. So this is the motor. I am removing the 3 motor screws. This has to be cleaned properly. So first let's clean the blades. So it took almost 15 minutes to clean them. I have took a small clip of this, and this was quite difficult to clean actually. So this is the deco cleaning part. The decos were also they are faded. If you notice a new one, then they are shining, but this has become slightly black in color. So no issues. This is a kitchen fan. Again it will become dirty, and I cannot clean it again and again. This was needed because after 5 years, at least after 5 years, you used to clean, or else it will lose color and or it shine and it will look bad. So you need to maintain the kitchen fans as well. So I have done all my best to clean it. The deco ring of the canopy is cleaned as far as possible. This is not getting cleaned, as you can see. The grease is really tough, and I'm trying to remove it with screwdriver as far as possible. And even you don't put a pressure on your Aura or any other decoring like Avance's decoring or any other company fan, because those are plastic and they may break. So make sure that you keep it properly. This is the coil, 12-pole motor, 12-pole coil, sorry. This is the stator, and the rotor is quite good quality. All the Aura and Jura motor have a really good quality rotor, and you can see the color. Now it's looking quite better than how it was earlier. You can notice it's so much better than earlier. I have removed it as far as possible, but still there are some stains that have become permanent. These cannot go. The label is not that good. The capacitor and the capacitor was also quite oily, so I have completely wiped it off using some kerosene oil, and also the connector is clean and the wires are clean. So after making the proper connections, let's test. I have tested the motor right now. Now it was running properly. These are the canopies. You can see it's looking quite better, not as bad how it was earlier. And also the crack is from on the back portion, and I hope it's not on the it will not increase after putting it on the rod. You can see the lower canopy has some scratches still, but the most of the grease is gone, and this won't matter much. So this can be ignored. You cannot do anything, you cannot expect to make it like a new fan after it's kitchen used. So no issues. And this is an anti-dust aura. Still, you can see the blades aren't that good, but they are much better than how they were earlier. You can see there are some stains still there. As I told, matte colors have permanent dust and grease sometimes. So the lower portion, like the deco side, the front side is cleaned very properly, and you can see the decos are also cleaned, and after installing I am sure that it will look quite good. And the motor is also, you can see this looking so much better. You can rewind the video again and check the motor's previous condition and the present condition. So the label, the paper sticker is still there. I have not removed it. It's a bit blur because of the grease settled on it. I cannot do anything. If I try to clean it, then the sticker will go, as it is made of paper. Now let's check the motor from the lower portion also. The lower cover, as you can see, is quite clean, and earlier it was having some oil, has like prints of fingerprints and all. Let's install the blades first. So all the 3 blades I have to install very tightly, and actually in this video you might see I'm tightening with a small screwdriver, the green one, but as per the video it's looking like it's still loose, but no, it is quite tight. I have tightened again in the behind, like the back camera, and you also ensure that you are tightening the fan properly so that it does not fall. As you can see, the condition is quite good. Decos are shining, fan is shining, and it's much satisfying than how previous it was. The canopies also are installed properly. I was just afraid that if it will look good or no, but yes, it's looking good, and I'm satisfied with the cleaning. So I don't know if you liked it. So if you liked it, please do like. And also apparently the false ceiling wire got cut from between, so I had to rip it off and joined it in this way. No issues, doesn't matter at all, and I did not have any other option without this. So the original connector is used, no issues. The canopy has to be maintained 5 mm gap between the upper cover and the canopy. So that's must, so that the fan doesn't rub with the canopy while running. So this is a quiet mode, you can take it down. And also make sure that you clean your fan almost every monthly so that you don't face such a problem like how I faced. So let's check out the performance. You cannot hear the fans running because this is the voiceover. So if you want to check the performance, go and check another video of the same fan that I have uploaded before. In that you can see the 380 rpm performance, and I'm damn sure this is taking 380 rpm. So I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you like the video, if you want to comment anything, if you have doubts about this, and for cleaning purpose you can use some soap or liquid hand wash, or else I would recommend a muscle, what we can say, there is a thing like Mr. Muscle. So Mr. Muscle or Colin, you can use it, or a Scotch Brite only with the soap. That's all for today.